Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Paul Jaspoil et vous regardez Le Monde Français. Si vous êtes intéressant à apprendre la langue française, vous pouvez bien faire comme ça. Hi friends, my name is Paul Jaspoil and if you're really interested in learning French, you are at the right place because Le Monde Français has brought a lot of videos for you to improve your French. Even if you are a beginner or you have started learning French, so these videos are going to help you a lot. So stay tuned with us. Let's continue with 10 expressions. The first one is
good luck.
So in French we call it bon courage. Bon courage. Bon courage. When we say all the best, so it is tant mieux. Tant mieux. The next one is thank you. How do you call thank you, which is the most common expression in any of the language? You call it thank you. In French, it is merci. Merci. When you have to say I'm sorry, so there are two different expressions. One is very common, it's pardon. As usual in English, we call it pardon. So in French, we call it pardon. Or you can call it désolé. Désolé. If you have to say excuse me, it is quite easy to be spoken. We call it excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. When you have to say somebody like have a nice journey, so we call it bon voyage. Bon voyage. When you have to say happy new year, we call it bonne année. Bonne année. The next one, when you have to just call somebody Merry Christmas, so we call it Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël, it means Merry Christmas. If you have to say you're welcome, so we call it Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. That is so common. And the last one, when you have to say happy birthday to you, so we call it Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. So listen to the verse and repeat it once more. Say bon courage.
Good luck.
Tant mieux. All the best. Merci means thank you. Désolé ou pardon means sorry. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Bon voyage. Have a nice journey. Bonne année. Happy New Year, Joyeux Noël, Merry Christmas, Je vous en prie, you are welcome, et bon anniversaire, happy birthday. So basically these are the expressions which are quite common for the people. For more videos, just stay tuned.
I hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And to get notification, click on the bell icon.